Hello there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing a fall evening clean with me. It is a beautiful fall evening. The sun is shining outside, it's starting to set, but I've got a mess to clean up inside the house, so I'm going to get started in the kitchen. We just ate dinner and I'm going to be putting the dishes away and tidying up on the main floor. So if you guys have a mess at home, definitely join in and get your mess cleaned up while you're watching my video. And if you enjoy motivational videos like this, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. I do a ton of cleaning videos and organizing videos, basically anything that has to do with being a mom and just taking care of the house. So if you guys enjoy this video, also give it a thumbs up so that I know that you like it, and I'm gonna get cleaning.
Famous. Boy, you had me at goodbye. My love's not a long time drift. I'm a sucker for your swagger. Only Tuesday nights available. We'll party till mañana, and then I'm inviting you to go home with me, home with me. I'm inviting you to go home with me, home with me. 'Cause all I do is work hard.
For the countertops and all my kitchen surfaces, I have been using my Mrs. Meyer's fall scented cleaning spray. The one I just used is in the pumpkin scent. It smells amazing. So if you guys are looking for a natural solution for your home, something that's a little healthier and something that smells great at the same time, go ahead and try the Mrs. Meyer's if you haven't already. There's actually a link down below in my description box to Grove Collaborative, where you can actually get some free Mrs. Meyer's cleaning supplies with a purchase from their website if you use my link. So go ahead and check out that link if you're interested.
I just need a little love, 'cause all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. Give a little love to a hit song machine.
If any of you guys are on Instagram, come on over onto my Instagram page and follow me and send me a message and say hello. I'd love to hear from you guys over there.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me?
How do you guys like my Disney princess slippers? I saw those at Walmart, and because I have all boys and there's really not much girly stuff in the house other than my own, I had to have those because I just love Disney stuff. And then when I saw the Disney princess slippers, I knew they had to be mine.
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us talk tonight.
Look at all these drink containers in the sink. It is such a waste sometimes when the kids leave containers laying around. It is a darn good thing that I recycle because there is a heck of a lot of those drink containers hanging around.
Your doubts won't hold us down.
Here I'm just hand washing the kids' water bottles. They really can't go in the dishwasher because that's how they get kind of all cracked looking and worn out. So I just hand wash those, and I'm going to set them aside to dry on the window ledge, which I often use as kind of like a makeshift drying rack. But I will just let it drip dry there for a minute or two, and then I'll use that water to wipe down the window ledge.
Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something.
you looking for a marshmallow? So occasionally when the kids are looking for a sweet treat, they will ask me to make them a roasted marshmallow over the gas stove. So Chandon here wanted a marshmallow snack, so I'm just roasting up a marshmallow for him for a little treat. Alrighty, now I'm just going to finish cleaning out the kitchen sink here. I'll use my little hose to rinse it out and get rid of any crumbs that are left in there. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. Here I'm just giving my gas stove a quick wipe down. I'm just going to use my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray and just wipe down any food residue and grease that is left on there. Right now I am loving the pretty soft sunlight that is coming through the kitchen window. It is making me want to clean a little bit more, so I'm going to wipe down the kitchen cupboards just along the knobs where it often kind of gets a little bit sticky if we have sticky little fingers touching the knobs when they're trying to get cups and plates and whatnot. If you guys are noticing a strange dog in the background, that dog is actually my sister's dog. I am doing a little bit of dog sitting tonight because she is out of town for the evening. Time to get started in the living room. I'm going to start with vacuuming up any crumbs on the hardwood and on the couches and just anywhere that I can see that needs to be vacuumed or dusted. So I'm just going to be vacuuming the living room carpet here with my Dyson vacuum. We got this vacuum actually a few years ago, I'd say maybe about 6 years ago, and it's the best vacuum ever. I've been through like 4 vacuums in the past, and this one has definitely lasted the longest, and it works the same as it did the day we bought it. So I'm really, really happy with this one. It was a little more expensive, but it definitely was worth the money. I'm moving on to the front foyer here. I'm just going to put away this case of water and the Nerf gun that was left laying there. I'm not quite sure who the culprit was here, but I'll just put that on the stairs for it to be taken up to their bedroom. Cheap trick. Here I'm just mopping my floors with my O Cedar mop, and I'm using my Caldrea pear and agave solution with some water in the mop bucket there, and I got that from the Grove Collaborative as well. Now I'm going to be getting started in the bathroom. I'm using my Method Antibac in the spearmint scent, and I got that from the Grove Collaborative as well. So I'm just using that to spray down my toilet, and I'm using my old trick and using toilet paper to wipe it down.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa. Let's go. Summer's gone.
I had to clean out the sink earlier today because one of the kids kind of made a mess in there washing their hands with some slime. So I don't have to wash it this evening. I'm just going to be doing the toilet.
No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts.
Alrighty, so I got most of my main floor cleaned up this evening, and it's looking pretty good, and there's still quite a bit of evening left, so we can hang out together and enjoy it. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you want to see any more of my future videos. Take care, guys, and we'll see you next time.